Add the following two complex numbers. 3 plus 2i plus 6 minus 5i. Now in general, if you have two complex numbers, a plus bi and c plus di, and you want to add them together, what you do is you combine the real parts, so the parts without the I, and then you combine the parts with the I together. So you have a plus c plus bi plus di. And this isn't using anything weird, it's just the commutative property of addition, where you can sort of move them around whatever way you want. And then finally, notice that here, these two guys have an I in common, right? So we can factor out that I. And when we do, what's left is b plus d times I. So you can sort of use that as your general formula. So if you want to use that particular formula, well, this is the same as a, and this is bi, and this is c, and then negative 5i is going to be di. So keeping to this formula, we want to add the real parts, so a plus c, 3 plus 6, and then plus b plus d times I. So 2 plus negative 5 times I. So this gives you 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 2 plus negative 5 is the same thing as 2 minus 5. So this is negative 3i. And then finally, putting it under one sign, this becomes 9 minus 3i. And since there's no way we can combine this real part and this negative part, this imaginary part, then this is our final answer.